Hello everyone. In today's lesson we will learn how can we find the square root of any particular number. We have different methods to find the square root of numbers like factorization method, division method, but we will find the square root of any particular number within 5 seconds by using the following trick. Now I will teach you the trick. Okay, first step is that you will learn the squares of all the numbers till 10. When you take the square of 1, you have the answer 1. When you take the square of 2, you have the answer 4. So like this, you will learn all the squares till 10. After learning all the squares, what will we do? We will place the last digit. We know that if you look at all the numbers here, you will see that only 1, 4, 9, 6, 5, 6, 9, 4, 1, 8 and 0 comes as a last digit. So we will write all the last digits separately. This is the second step. We will write all the last digits separately. We know that 0 will come in the last digit when you take the square of 10. So last number is 0. 1 comes in the last as a last digit when you take the square of 1 and 9. As you look at, if you take the square of 1, you have the answer 1, and if you take the square of 9, you have the answer 81. So 1 be the last digit when you take the square of 1 and 9. Likewise, 4 will be the last digit when you take the square of 2 and 8, and 5 will be the last digit when you take the square of 5 because it's the only one. Now you will, if you take the square of 4 and 6, you will get the 6 as a last digit. If you take the square of 3 and 7, you will get the 9 as a last digit. So after writing all the digits separately, these are the last digits. Okay, we have written all the last digits separately. These are the last digits. 0 is the last digit when you take the square of 0. 1 is the last digit when you take the square of 1 and 9. And 4 will be the last digit when you take the square of 2 and 8. Likewise, 5 is the last digit. Please keep and focus. We are talking about the last digit. When you take the square of 5, and 6 will be the last digit when you take the square of 4 and 6. And 9 will be the last when you take the square of 3 and 7. Okay, now you want to find the square root of 529. You will choose first last two numbers 29. If you look, 9 is the last number. We will see that when is the last digit 9. If we take the square of 3 and 7, you have 9 as a last digit. That's mean the last number can be either 3 or either 7. Now after doing this, we will check the second number, that is 5. Now the third step is we will check that if you take the square of 2, you have the answer 4. Like if you take the square of 3, you have the answer 9. You will choose the smaller number than 5, that is 4. That's mean if you take the square of 2, you will get 4, and 4 is less than 5. That's mean either the number will be 23 or 27. Now we will check either the number is 23 or 27. We have only two chances. Either the number will be 23 or either the number will be 27. We have two options. Now we have to decide within these two options what is the correct option. Now you have chosen 2. We have chosen 2 as a number. Now you will take a number next to 2, that is 3. You will multiply that number with 3. If you multiply that number with 3, you have the answer 6. And 6 is, and the 5 is less than 6. So that's when you, so 5 is less than 6. That's mean the correct answer is 23. So now we will check another example. Take another example. Likewise this, we will choose the last two digits, that is 61, and we will check 1. 1 comes as a last digit when you take the square of 1 and 9. So either the last number will be 1 or 9. We have two options here. Now next one is 47. Now you will choose a number. If we will take the square of that number, uh, if we will take the square of that number, then 47 comes in between that. So if you take the square of 6, you have the answer 36. And if you take the square of 7, you have the answer 49. So you have to choose the lesser number. Okay, so we will choose the less number, that is 6. So either the number is 61 or the number is 69. So we will choose in between these two numbers. We will check, we have chosen 6, so we will multiply 6 with the number next to 6, that is 7. We know that 6 sevens are 42 and 47 is greater than 42. That means this is not the option. So the correct answer is 69. You can use this trick to find the square root of any number within seconds. Take care. Have a good day.